So for you feet especially, when you dance, I want your number one priority to be on your feet. So your feet have to be always turned out. Now, this is too much, this is too little, maybe 45 degree. Now change weight to one of the legs. Right. Now you want to have these ankle bones right here be touching. Right. So this is position of the feet I want you to have. Now, rib cage is always slightly lifted and you settle into the hip. So this is the feet position. Now, let's try to change weight and maintain this position. So you see when you change weight, you need to re-close it, rearrange it this way. So you not stay open, right? So this is number one, foot position and switch. And switch. For now, keep your arm here because we're not dancing, we're just doing exercises, foot exercises. Now I want you to pay attention in this position. One knee is bent, one knee is straight. That's very important. And now also when you're passing, number two key I want for you, it's a brushing. So anytime you do any step, your knee, upper thighs and ankles touch, right? So this moment in between is extremely important, right? And give me like connection, like a little push, and try couple 8 times. Switch and switch, and let's say cha, cha, cha. And I want your knees to be absolutely connected together, right? And ankles, knees connected, right? Ankles connected. Go. And 2 and 3 and cha, cha, cha. And 2 and 3, cha, cha, cha. Now let's say if you dance your cha, cha, you step back. I want you to maintain this turned out. 2. So you see your feet like this. Now replace forward. 3. Excellent. Now go to the side. Your cha, 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 and keep beautiful foot position. Right. That's very good. Now from here, collect your feet. Now maybe step a little bit here so we can be in the shot. So now to step forward, you see going through collection of the feet. You're going forward. 2. Turned out feet. 2. You're going back. 3. Going side. Cha, cha, cha on the straight knees. 2, 3. Now let's try exactly the same, but forward, like step. You go cha, you see foot turn out, cha, you see turn out. Yes, you're not like this. Yes, turn out, cha, release. Excellent. Now you're going forward again. 2, replace back. 3, and cha, cha, cha. And brush your legs. 2, replace forward. 3, and cha, cha, cha. So what did you learn today? What's the point? Feet turned out
45.
and brushing your legs. Very good. So if we doing our choreography, 1 second, sorry. If we're doing our choreography, let's say, we're doing our cha-cha-cha basic choreography. So you want to pay attention yourself that this foot in front is turned out, back is turned out, regardless what you do with your arms. 3, now collect, now side. Cha, cha, cha. Feet turn out, straight legs. Now do your spot turn. 2, 3, beautiful feet. Cha, cha, cha. And you stop, you can always check your feet. Do they have beautiful turnout or not? Ankle, I go back. 2, 3, cha, cha. Okay, also for your routine, when you dance choreography, especially for you, I want you to see the difference between we doing lock step, which is a forward, cha, cha, cha. So we're locking our legs when we're going forward or back, cha, cha, cha. Or when we're stepping to the side, then we don't have a lock step, we're just closing our feet together. So you go rock, steps, you go to the side, we don't cross, cha, cha. So it's a side step, so you see? Rock, step, side, together, side. But in cha-cha, if you would like to go forward, we're gonna cross our legs. So it's a different technique. So in your routine, it's very important when you go side to side, there is no cross. Like this step, for example, when we do turns, rock, step, this is side. So go side, yeah, so side, don't cross. Excellent. 2, 3, side. Cha, cha, very good. Now you turn, put your arm here. 2, 3, again side. So you see no crosses. Again, I turn, you go rock, step, go cha, cha, side, no crosses. 2, 3, cha. But for example, here, You go two, now you need to go forward. Are you gonna cross or not? What do you think? Cha, cha. You see, then you cross. I want you to be aware of the difference. If you go forward, there's a cross. If you go side, there is no cross.
No cross. If the forward should be like
Yes,
touch.
but just don't bend too much. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So if you go forward, it's called lock step. You lock in your knees, crossing. Cha, cross, cha. You see, if I move back, it's gonna be cha, cross, cha. But if we're going side, rock, step, side together, side. For the side, 2, 3, cha, cha, cha. So that's very important. Yes?
Okay.
Nice. Okay. It's a nice video.